May 28th at Mutual Trust Life. If you're an Equity XL advisor, you want to be there.
What is going on May 20th? Can you tell me a little bit about it? I mean, this already sounds pretty exciting.
Well, what we're going to do, Troy, is we're going to have an in-depth training to talk about all things Equity XL per se, but in specific, the second half of the day, we are going to focus on the college planning and student loan debt payoff process as a big part of the Equity XL training for advisors at the Mutual Trust Life Home Office.
I hear that all the time. Those are really hot topics right now, aren't they?
Yes, they are, because as of May 5th, it has been mandated that student loan debts need to resume repayment. No longer are they in forbearance or in suspension, and many, many clients out there have no plan. They've been putting off paying off these loans since 2020, since the days of
5 years.
COVID, and now the bill has come due, and we're going to teach advisors on how to come up with a plan to, instead of paying off those debts that could last up to 40 years, we're going to teach them how to pay them off in 5 to 7 years.
I got to stop you right here, Paul. So this is on May 28th. I want to put this in my calendar right now, and I'd encourage you to do the same. May 28th, where is it at?
Mutual Trust Life Home Office in Oak Brook, Illinois.
Okay. And what time?
Well, we're going to start at 9 o'clock, and we're going to go to about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, lunch provided.
Okay, great. And then how do I let you know I'm coming? Because I think I want to be there.
You could call me direct, 317-626-3054. Love to take your call. Or paul@gordonmarketing.com, or they could get a hold of you too, Troy.
Okay, great. Hey, Paul, I got a question for you. Why would an agent need to attend this? I mean, it's definitely a hot topic, but why would they need to come?
Great question, Troy. The biggest issue for most agents is getting in front of enough people and having enough conversations that are salient to the subject that they're trying to present on. In this case, we're trying to help people get out of debt, free up their cash flow, and build liquid wealth for the future. But the most pressing thing in front of them right now is a huge financial concern for which people have no plan whatsoever. We're going to take all those bits and pieces, get our arms around them, and show them in an organized way how we can have the client eating out of their hand and dying to do business with them because we're providing them a solution at a time that they need it the most.
A relevant topic will help them put more money in their pocket.
And get in front of more people and have more meaningful conversations and create more sales. Correct.
Mhm.
So if this sounds like it's of interest to you, you want to take your game to the next level, you want to have a wide open, red hot market to go after where everybody needs you, get in touch with us. Click the subscription button below and share this with other advisors, and we hope to see you there.